too sick, too hard, too fucked in the head. You'll never make it, no, not in this lifetime. Well, guess again, my friend. Don't act surprised, we got the bass drum kick that will blow out your eyes. Just when you hear this shit, you'll get to step in, gonna fight the war and use my music as a weapon.
Full Metal Jacket.
You know what I'm talking about. Another goddamn slap in the face. Don't wanna give us a place. Are you afraid? But fear this, cause I'm breaking through the walls of your nightmare. We got time to die. The way I'm living, there is no compromise in it. Better get ready for another surprise in it. Me leave a mark because I'm coming in fast. Planting thoughts in your mind and dropping plates on your ass. Belly rock, I'm dropping plates on your ass, bitch. You're in my mind and you don't need this. Belly rock, I'm dropping plates on your ass, bitch. You're in my mind and you don't need. Well, on your mark, here we go again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But never mind, cause you're not the number one. Oh, yeah, yeah. You're too hot and from the other side. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think it's time to bring it home again. Right to me. Well, on your mark, here we go again. Hey, yeah, yeah. But never mind, cause you're not the number one. Oh, yeah, yeah. You're too hot and from the other side. Hey, yeah, yeah. I think it's time to bring it home again. Right to me. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Say here I come, I'm dropping plates on your ass. Now here I come, I'm dropping plates on your ass. Plates on your ass, bitch. Plates on your ass. Really rock 'em, I'm dropping plates. I'm dropping plates. Plates on your ass, bitch. Plates on your ass. Here I come, I'm dropping plates and I'm dropping plates. And then when on your mark, now here we go again. I'm dropping plates. I use my music, my weapon. I'm dropping plates. Rip through the walls of your nightmare. I'm dropping plates. Well, here we go, we're dropping plates.